Good morning, AIS, and welcome to today's assembly on Computer Science Education Week. Today we're going to be learning about tech, we're going to be learning about coding, we're going to be thinking about creativity, and we're going to be considering how we solve problems. Now, when you first are introduced to technology and the reasons why you should learn about technology and learn about those skills related to technology, some people will say it's because you can earn lots of money. But this isn't the right way to think about it. Computer science is a much more foundational skill than that. It's much more than just money. The reality is that technology affects us every single day in every single field. And you've probably seen this around you, inside and outside of school. For example, in healthcare, computing is part of the operating rooms every day. And it's enabling breakthroughs like these contact lenses. They detect levels of insulin for people with diabetes. In space, we have a whole new generation of robots going out to explore where humans can't go yet. You might have seen the videos from Mars. In our homes even, we're regulating and automating things like our heating systems and our lights and even our television sets. When you go out on the road, you're going to use a navigation system. It's going to be able to get you to go to the shops and home and wherever else you wish to go. And we're even experimenting with self-driving cars. Some of you might have even used self-driving buses recently. And when you go to the movies, you're going to see blockbuster movies that depend on computer science to bring those new characters to life. Characters like Elsa and the Hulk. Every single day, this trend is growing across every single industry. Now, as students, you can see that it's just as important to be learning about these sorts of things, to be able to learn about them just in the same way that you learn about what photosynthesis is, what H2O is, or even how to solve an equation. It's just as important as those things to learn about algorithms, how to make an app, and how the internet works. It's going to be really important to know what a loop is and how it's used to design an algorithm. But most importantly, these skills are going to be important because they'll teach you how to solve problems. It's going to give you a way that you can solve problems that applies to any context that you go to. Imagine you're facing a big, ambiguous project at home or here at school. These skills are going to help you to identify what's important, what needs to be solved first, and when you should solve it. So it's not just about technology. Computer science is far more than just about technology. It's about logic, it's about problem solving, and it's about creativity. It's a very simple way to think about it. Do you want to be someone who just buys and uses technology, or do you want to be someone who creates technology? You can be someone who is able to create digital artifacts and get those data artifacts to impact the world around you, to even solve big problems that the world is suffering from. Now, this sounds all good and great, but what about this creativity thing? How can technology be about creativity? Let me show you one thing. This is a picture of one of the first computers in the whole world. It was created and built in 1943. Now, 1943 might seem like a long time, and you can see that the size of computers has changed drastically in that time. However, the programs that it was running were not the world's first computer programs. The world's first computer program was made another 100 years before the world's first computer. It was made by Ada Lovelace, a mathematician and a writer, in 1843. Writing a computer program is about using logic to creatively solve a problem. It's not just about the technology that carries out that program. Today, you're going to get to be creative problem solvers, and you're going to get to create your own programs to solve problems that are set in front of you. Good luck, and I hope you enjoy it.